किसी से अगर कहना कि I want to, if you say that I want to maintain a good relationship with you, तो ये जो वर्ड रिलेशनशिप है ना, ये इम्प्लाई करता है लोगों के तरीके, मतलब फॉर द मेल सेक्शन इट विल डिफरेंट, फॉर द ऑफिस, फॉर द फ्रेंड्स, that we are good friends, let us maintain a good and a harmonious relationship, ऐसे कह सकते हो. और अगर सिर्फ कहते हो कि yes I want to maintain a relation with you, relation मतलब संबंध, संपर्क, तो ये संबंध संपर्क जो है ना, इसको अगर आप नाम नहीं दोगे, if you do not give a name, then it is in a different way. So you will not use the word relationship uselessly with anybody whom you are not very close to. Are you getting my point? In the official, in the text, different manner in the classroom, if you have friends, then you say that we are in good friendship relations. So you have to give the name of the relation. My mother, I have a good relationship, sweet and a cordial relationship with my mother, you can say. Okay, is it clear, all of you, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now chalo, now again something other topic. We have talked about relationship, escape and this and that. What are the points? What was the last thing that we said, Varnika? That about
Ma'am, we should never use relationship in the sentence because, like if you go and say this to a boy, he will take it the other way.
and that is what I'm saying. Relationship to us, whom do you don't want to say?
To a boy.
Just now I told you, no? You, what you mean to say that you should not say that I told you cannot say I have a relation with you. Relation matlab sampark. So sampark you can have in friendship also, in friendly manner, that I want to maintain, just now what I told, that I want to maintain a good and a cordial relationship with you. You tell with your colleagues, your friends, but personally if you say unknowingly, or you can use the word, can we be good friends? Okay, can we be good friends, ऐसा आप कह सकते हो. Can we be good friends or can we have good relations in friendship? देखो ये वर्ड जो है ना, कैन वी बी गुड फ्रेंड्स, ये अलग है. कैन वी बी इन गुड रिलेशन इन फ्रेंडशिप, ये भी अलग है. अलग है मतलब अगर आप सिर्फ कहो मानसी और दे ना, अगर आप सिर्फ कहो कि आई हैव अ रिलेशन विथ यू, देन दैट विल नॉट प्रूव योर सेंस. ये गलत तो नहीं होगी, बट इट विल मीन समथिंग एल्स. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? तो अगर आपके मन में, if you're in your mind, if you don't have that feeling also for that person, but he will keep thinking ki pata nahi she is liking me, are you understanding? He or she will think that okay, maybe she wants to, I mean, or you can say that if you are liking some, oh I have fallen for him, like this is a common dialogue. I have fallen for him. Oh, फॉलन मतलब फॉल मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आप देख के फॉल, मतलब आपके तरीके, आई फॉलन फॉर हिम और फॉलन फॉर द गर्ल, इट कैन बी इम्प्लाइड टू एनी गर्ल ऑल्सो, कि किसी का एटीट्यूड, पर्सनालिटी को देख के आपको बहुत पसंद आए, तो व्हाट विल यू से? वर्णिका बोलो. आई थिंक सर मानसी इज नॉट देयर नाउ. ओके वर्णिका, वी विल कंटिन्यू विथ यू. बोलो.
Like if I like their personality.
हाँ, what will you say?
Like I've fallen for them or something.
No, I really like the girl. I've fallen for her.
Yeah, like
Fallen for them भी नहीं होगा. Fallen इतने आदमी को you cannot fall. You fallen for him, her, or that specific person only. Are you getting my point? I have fallen for her, or she's such a lovely girl. I really like her personality. I really like her attitude, her way of talking, her mood. So I really like you. Can we be friends? ऐसे करके आप नए friends को approach कर सकते हो. Can we be friends? Can we have the attitude that? So this is the positive way of approaching somebody. So आप classroom में हो या teacher से हो, तो आपके now we are only both of us we are. तो आप teachers के साथ हो, so when you say that, ma'am, excuse me, like you are not well, I told you that can you please excuse me for some time. तो कैन यू प्लीज एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर सम टाइम, उसी में सब समझा देगा कि यू आर आस्किंग टाइम फॉर what? For yourself to be excused from the class or from the situation.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
I am speaking now, you will have to speak. The main thing is that you are to learning and listening. Now, for 5 minutes, I will give you a situation. You will speak. You have
Okay, ma'am.
gone to the games period.
Hmm.
You have gone to the games period and you don't want to play because it's so sunny outside. So what will you do and what will you say and what will you do? These are common things which happen in school.
Ma'am, like when I went to the PE games class, like I
You will
felt
do
like I was busy under the sun. So I went to the teacher and I asked her or him, the teacher, that I was feeling unwell. I'm feeling unwell, and the sun is really hot, and can I be excused for 5 minutes?
Yes. Can I be excused for, ma'am, can you please excuse me for not 5 minutes, for some time?
Okay.
5 minutes नहीं कहोगे, क्या पता 5 minutes आपका पीरियड हो 30 minutes और 5 minutes से आपका क्या फायदा होगा? Some time. Can you please excuse me for some time? I am feeling unwell. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I am feeling unwell. So can you excuse me for some time? I am feeling unwell. तब देखो ये सब जो बातें हैं ना, वार्तालाप, ये सब कॉमन थिंग्स है. It may be any class, practical class, it may be your Hindi class. So the teacher will immediately say, oh yes, why not? I am feeling unwell. So he will ask you, what happened? Then what will you say? Out of imagination?
I'll be like, ma'am, due to the sun's heat, I'm feeling dizzy, so I need to go and rest for some. I need to be excused for some time.
Due to the scorching heat, due to the intense heat, मतलब सिर्फ हीट से नहीं, सिंपल हीट से तो कभी तबीयत खराब होती नहीं है, तो आपको स्पेसिफाई करनी है. If it
Scorching
is a
heat.
scorching, due to this scorching heat, मतलब
Hmm.
बहुत तेज मतलब due to scorching heat, then you will say, or due to the intense heat, I am feeling unwell. So can you please excuse me for some time? Are you getting my point? This is a nice sentence, no? Can you please excuse me for some time? I am feeling unwell.
Hmm.
Then what after that? What will you say? What will you say or do? Go to the suppose you are sitting in the class and somebody says you came from the playground and sitting in the class and principal is going. What happened? तब आप क्या बोलोगे? What happened? Why
Yeah.
are you sitting in class?
I'll say good morning or afternoon, sir. Due to the scorching heat of the sun, I was unwell outside in the ground. So
Very
I
good.
asked the teacher's permission to be excused and for some
Very
time,
good.
and I'm sitting.
And just I'm sitting. Bas, very good. Next, any more?
No, nothing.
Because till 10 we will continue and then another 5 minutes you can ask. So we had a long discussion today, right from 9 o'clock. So whatever important things that you feel you read. So supposing if I ask you that, what did you do the whole day? Just in 3-4 minutes.
Okay. My day was amazing and perfectly fine with no problems involved. In the class we did which were important stuff I noted down, and we had ICT class, and yeah, we have done so many good things in maths, amazing things which I like. Then we came back home and have done my homework and I have joined my English tuition.
Okay. Good. And then if I ask you, did you have your dinner?
Yeah, I had my dinner.
Okay. So are you a very this fast sleeper? Just excuse me.
Ma'am.
Yes, are you audible? Now, like some power failure, so I just had to switch on. So likewise, you will tell. So you also have some criterias. If I say that, do you sleep very early? What will you say?
Yeah, sometimes.
No, what is your time for sleeping?
10:30.
Okay. So if I ask you after your English class, what will you do?
After English class, I'll relax for some time. Then I'll go to the sleep.
Then how do you relax? If I ask you, do you watch movies or television serials or the social media?
I'll just do nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
No. Everybody has a mode of relaxation. रिलैक्सेशन पे बात हम करेंगे. आप लिख के रखो पॉइंट्स रिलैक्सेशन के बारे में. देखो रिलेशनशिप तो मैंने कहा, फिर भी आप लिखो टुमारोज क्लास रिलेशनशिप. आई विल आस्क यू ओनली रिलैक्सेशन. एवरीबडी हैज. इफ आई आस्क यू द रिलैक्सेशन जो है ना, you can talk with anybody. What is the mode of relaxation? Somebody say that I just here to in any
Ma'am,
job
for
also.
me, talking. Talking is the mood of relaxation
Very good. So talking means with whom you talk.
with my friends.
Oh, means that only you are into telephonic conversation.
No, not in home. I don't relax in home. In school, when there are some free periods or something, that time.
Good. Means see, a brain needs to be relaxed. I am asking you tomorrow. I'll ask you. I'll ask her also. What is the mode of relaxation that you will do? Now, if you ask me, I'll
Ma'am,
tell you.
mainly for me, it's sleep and talking.
Okay, sleep. Sleep is actually not relaxing. Sleep is sleeping only. Like very, sleep is sleeping. Like if you are hearing music, okay, watching television or movies, just roaming outside,
Mom,
seeing
watching
your
television, like my brain works. Like it's like I think what's gonna happen next and what I didn't understand anything, then I'll be like thinking only. So I won't think it's
yeah.
relaxation.
Well, relax means in a mode of just sometimes quietly sitting or strolling outside, like at night. If you have a veranda, if you stroll outside coolly and relaxed mood, okay. So,
Yeah.
like if you have pets, do you have pets?
No.
Those who have pets, they just talk, play, or this thing with their doggy, or birds. Like I had the habit of rearing birds, not
Mm.
dogs. So when you go and see the birds, how they flutter matlab kaise flutter karte, the colorful wings, and so that gives a relaxation. Or plants. If you have, are you in the mode of growing plants?
Yeah, mom, we have plants in our home.
So don't you feel that moving around the plants is a form of relaxation?
I mean, mom, I never had anxiety or tension for me, so I feel everything is a relaxation.
Okay, means very good. Being a student, you don't have anxiety, tension, so you are always in a relaxed mood. So whatever you
Yeah.
are doing or taking, you are doing in a taking in a very relaxed. That is a very good sign, very positive. Okay. So besides that, we will talk about more about your hobbies and the different situations that you will be coming forward. And let us, before winding, you also just have a talk. You also talk that, ma'am, you asked me anything in a mode of talking. What do
The
you
mood.
want me to ask?
I want your birthday date now. Or something.
Mine. My
Yeah.
birthday is date to I will tell you the birthday month. It is on in February.
Okay, date.
Date is 2nd.
Okay.
And yours?
November 23rd.
Okay. So it has already passed, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the birthday. So if I say like tomorrow, we will say that how do you celebrate occasions? Right? This point. So some things like in the mode of talking when we are doing. So sometimes these things will come into your essays also, like writing letters also, informal letters, formal letters. Okay. Like Mansi, we were discussing that you saw na
Mom, I
officially.
can't hear you.
Can you hear me now? Yes. Can you hear me? Is it audible? I'm just speaking. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can hear me. I can hear you.
Yeah. So like in a way we will talk. In a way we will talk more about what was the last thing that I said? How do you celebrate occasions?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will speak. So you will speak more. So I think, sir, it is already 10. So can we take leave now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So like Mansi, I think she has not rejoined. So
Yeah.
tomorrow, hopefully she comes.
Yeah. Okay. I will inform you and update you if she want to join. Okay.
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 Thank you so much,
So,
ma'am.
okay. Thank you, Monica. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Good night, everyone.
Good night.